come back, Ted Koppel continues his reporting with exactly what that job will entail for the American pool remaining.
We're standing in the shadow of the gigantic roof, which has been built for one purpose, and it is to keep out the sun.